Let's change a battery on the 1250GS. Oh, come on. This is the third time this month. Carry a portable jumper and CruzTools because, well, life happens. Batteries also wear out, so replace them every 5 years or so. Charge your new battery fully before installing. If you haven't taken off the battery cover, remove a single T25 from the right side of the bike, gently lift up, then out. Disconnect the negative terminal first. Pull up on the rubber strap and pry up on the second battery cover. You might need to find a good grip and wiggle the battery out. Disconnect the positive terminal. Thank you to CruzTools for sponsoring this video. Whether you ride a BMW, Triumph, Harley, or whatever you ride, CruzTools makes a bike-specific toolkit for your motorcycle. If you got stranded like I did, CruzTools might just save you a lot of time and an expensive tow. Now back to the GS. Now is a good time to clean up the battery compartment. Connect the positive terminal. Slide in the new battery. Connect the negative terminal. Hook in the bottom tab by pushing the battery up. Then slide in both the side tabs. Secure the strap, put back the cover, change the time and date. Thank you for watching OTM Cars and Motorcycles. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more motorcycle maintenance videos. Summer is almost here. Get your bikes ready and let's go for a ride. I'll see you next time with something amazing.